In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the easiest ways to make money online. And this is going to be 100% based on my experience. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. And if this is the very first time you're in my channel, let me know that I'm just a regular person. But not long ago, I actually made a decision. I had two full-time jobs. I was tired. I cannot tell you that I was living paycheck to paycheck because I was barely making it. I was surviving. After suffering a huge scam, I was forced to sell my previous online job and find not one, but two full-time jobs. I have a lot of debts. I didn't have a lot of times. And as you can imagine, a person who has two full-time jobs and suffer some debts, well, my mindset was broken. So after trying, to survive, I was like, you know what, Diana, you have to do something different. If not, you're going to be spending the rest of your life trying to make it. Okay. So I tried different business models, different side hustles. And that's the reason why I'm telling you that if you want to earn some extra cash, definitely it's possible. I think that nowadays we do have way more possibilities than before. And if you're looking to replace your full-time jobs, but a regular person who actually replaced two full-time jobs, I can tell you that you can actually make it happen. Everything started with your mindset. Everything started with your decision. You can actually do it. And I'm going to be sharing you everything based on my experience. As you can see here, based from one of my wallets, I made over $12,000. And as I told you before, you can earn extra cash or you can replace your job. At the end of the day, this is going to be like a personal, um, you know, your own path. Okay, this is going to be your own path. This is going to be what you want, because I have seen a lot of people who make a lot of money, but they are like, you know what, I'm happy with my regular job. I actually made it because there is certain goal that I want to achieve, and it is okay. There is no right or wrong. Everything depends on you. And here I have some examples. Like if you want to earn some extra cash, you can go and you can be, for example, an Amazon affiliate. Okay. This is certain kind of products that I actually promote, but I know that the amount that I'm going to be earning, it's pretty low. Sometimes I just earn like 1%, 3%. To put into perspective, if someone place an order and they spend $100, you can earn like $1, $3. So if you want to have life-changing income, you will need to have a lot of volumes, a lot of sales. You will need to do a lot of recommendations. But if you are like, you know what, I just need some extra cash, definitely this is something that you can go. You can also go with print on demand. The cool thing about print on demand is that you can have your own business in which you are going to be selling digital products. In this case, these are going to be customizable. You can actually put your own designs, okay? But you know that your profit, it's not going to be 100%, it's not going to be 80%, it's not going to be 50%. Sometimes it can be like 10%, 15%, because there is manufacturing involved, there is shipping involved, there can be some kind of returns and all that stuff. So take that into consideration. So you're going to be doing a percentage. You can also go with UGC. So it's going to be user generated content. What does that mean? That there are companies out there who are actually paying regular people just like you and me, not like an influencer or someone famous, just a regular person. That they're like, hey, we have this skincare product. You're gonna actually create a review, a tutorial about it. We are gonna pay you $100, $200, but that's it. You're not gonna be earning any extra. So that means that you will need to be creating videos, and they're going to be paying for that video. Okay. So it's user generated content. And also there is another way, like for example, you can go with drop shipping. Okay. With drop shipping, the same with print on demand, except that you are not going to be customizing any kind of product. This is a physical product that it's already out there. most of the time the wholesales are in China or in the US, and you're going to be earning a small percentage. And this is actually based on my experience. I'm not going to tell you that this doesn't work because it do work for me. But as you can imagine, as a person who used to have two full-time jobs, I have to invest a lot of money, upfront money on ads in order to make it work. But a lot of people do have a lot of questions. And with that says, at the end of the day, I end up hiring not one, but two customer service reps, and if they want to escalate because they have other questions, other stuff, I was the one who have to take the calls or the chat. And it wasn't like super fun, especially if you're super busy with two full-time jobs. But does this works? Definitely it works. But again, the margins are like 10%, sometimes even less. Okay. And you need to know what you're doing, because really, if you want to be profitable with drop shipping, you will need to be running ads. But if you want to replace your job, okay, if you are committed with yourself, if you're committed with your success, okay, and you really want to replace your job, there are actually two routes that you will need to take. The very first one is that you can create your own digital product. Okay, take this into consideration. It's going to be a digital product, so that means that this is going to be a product that you're going to be creating one, and after that, you are going to set up in a way in which they're going to get it, you know, instantly. So you don't have to provide them like tracking information. You don't have to be, dealing with people like 24/7, because the system do it actually everything for you. But you need to create your product. You decide what's going to be your margins. And the cool thing is that nowadays you can actually promote it for free. So you can actually be earning 100% of the um, earnings. And thanks to the AI, you can actually create products with AI. My recommendation is that if you're going to go with this route, create a simple product. Okay, put it this way: you're going to be creating one product that is going to be targeting one audience, because you're going to be solving one problem. It needs to be specific, okay? This is not going to be something huge. This is not going to be like a mastermind, something like that. So it's going to be one problem, one solution, something simple. And I'm pretty sure that nowadays you're like solving people's problems, but chances are that you don't have any product that people are like, hey, I want to know how I can solve this, and you already have the expertise on that. So you can actually start doing that, okay? It can be a PDF, it can be in a small ebook, it can be a membership program, it can be a video course. You can actually create a workshop, okay? But if you're like, you know what, Diana, I don't have a lot of time nowadays to create my own product, because yeah, I tried to create it. The very first time I tried to create it, it took me 6 months, because I used to have two full-time jobs. So I decided to go in a different route, and this route it's called affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, what we're going to be doing is recommending other people products and services in exchange for commission. But these are going to be digital products. Okay, these are going to be digital products. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how you can actually start your online journey, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. So where you can find these kind of products. Okay, there's things that we call marketplace. For example, you can go to ClickBank, and here in ClickBank, you can promote digital products, physical products, in multiple niches. You can also go to Impact, and here on Impact, you can promote, really popular brands. You're going to be what they call a publisher. Okay. That's what you're going to be here on Impact. You can actually go here on Impact, and literally you can go to Google and you can type a niche. For example, I put pets plus affiliate program. And as you can see here, I'm going to have a list of 20 pet affiliate programs. Should we have an affiliate program? Ollie do have an affiliate program, and more than 80% of the companies do have what we call an affiliate programs. Chances are that you are recommending a product nowadays that do have an affiliate program, but you are not earning money because you just don't know. But now that you have this knowledge, you can start actively promoting your favorite products. Okay, there are going to be different type of products. Okay, there are going to be different type of products. We have what we call low ticket. Okay, we're going to have what we call low ticket. Oops, here on okay, here on low ticket, that's going to be a program in which people are going to invest $100 or less. Here we have high ticket. On high ticket, you are going to be earning at least $1,000 commission. This is actually really good because that means, like, for example, if your goal is to earn $2,000 extra with a high ticket program, that means that you are going to be needing just literally two recommendations. People are going to purchase, and you're going to be earning. And there is also recurrent, which is this is my favorite because these with this one, with every single one, you're going to start from zero. Okay, this is supposed to be a line. You're going to start from zero. But with recurrent, it's like your internet bill. Okay, right now you have a contract, or maybe you don't have a contract, but you went to your internet provider just once, and chances are that you already have years paying the service. So with recurrent, it's going to be exactly the same. Here, you start with zero, but let's say that on the very first month, 5 people join the membership, the program that you are going to be promoting. On the next month, 5 more people join, so it's going to be 10. Here on the third month, for some reason, you were not able to work. Maybe you went on vacation. Maybe you decide just to take some time for yourself, or you got sick or something happened, and you were not able to work. Well, let's say that these 10 people renew. So you're not going to be earning zero. You're going to be earning some money because you are going to be earning month after month after month after month. Actually, that's my favorite type of programs. And chances are that right now you're like, okay, Diana, what do I actually need? Okay, the very first thing that you need is a product. I already told you that we're going to be promoting digital products, and I already showed you the marketplace. Remember, ClickBank, Impact. There are tons like JVSU, Wire Plus, Commission Junction, AWIN, which was previously Share Sale, Cope Card. There are tons of marketplaces, or literally you can put the niche or the name of the product plus affiliate program. Okay, now that you have your main product, you will need to build a system. I actually built a system with a tool that is called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution, and I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually open a free account. And yes, you hear right, it's going to be a free account. So that means that you're going to be spending zero to create your system. And it's going to be something like this. It's going to be a two-page system in which we're going to be capturing people's name and email. Then we're going to be creating something that we call a bridge page. This can be a text or this can be an image. And then we're going to be, promoting the product. With this system, this is the thing, this is the key that changed my life forever because it's actually working for me 24/7. And the cool thing is that I can promote the main product, but I can promote other products and other services on autopilot as well. Okay. Now, what else do we actually need? We need something that we call traffic. Traffic is literally eyeballs. So where are people right now? They are actually on TikTok. They are actually on Instagram. They are on Facebook. People are on Pinterest. They're reading blogs. They're watching a YouTube channel or Medium, so on. So literally we can be sending these people, and you don't have to show your face. This is the cool thing nowadays with technology that we have. Okay, so the system is actually going to be working for you. You don't need to invest on ads if you don't want to. Okay, and you don't have to talk. if you don't want to. You don't have to be on camera if you don't want to. Okay, so literally there is a lot of possibilities, and as I told you before, everything is dependent on what you want. If you want to replace your full-time jobs, this is definitely what you need. If you want to earn some extra cash, I already shared with you information about that as well. So remember, if you want to learn more about it, I'm going to be leaving a link below. It's going to be the very first in the description. Okay, I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.